and get back the right answers. Now, this engagement visual has proven really useful to understand customer retention patterns. So I want to test what users in my organization will see if they ask for customer retention in 2024. Now, understandably, Copilot doesn't know what I'm talking about. How would it? Without prior knowledge, a human wouldn't know this visual is about customer retention either. So, just as you would train a new data analyst on your team, I want to educate Copilot on business context using the verified answer feature. Anytime someone asks for cohort retention analysis or customer retention, it's pretty likely they'd be interested in this visual. Now, Copilot will understand how to use this report. And if a user asks for customer retention, they'll get back the verified answer visual. So we ask that Power BI report creators, and there are many of you, join us on this AI transformation journey by helping train Copilot just as you would a new data analyst on your team.
Now, this is really good, but we don't want the user to know which reports to go and have the conversation for the data, right?
Good point, Amir. So let's switch to the business user experience who barely knows what a semantic model is, believe it or not, but happens to be an expert on how to run a business. Let's go ahead and ask for sales over time. And this first step in the discovery process is critical that we get right. There could be thousands of artifacts referring to this term. We have one shot to engage the user. The LLM performed a semantic search based on relevancy signals, such as business definition relevance. How popular is the artifact? Who created it? Is that person part of my organization? And we can, of course, analyze Microsoft Graph for organizational proximity. But in this particular case, I can even see the first report. It's used by my leadership team's app. It's clearly driving business decisions, and it's a trusted source. So I'll go ahead and use number one. We'll get back this nice LLM-generated summary, full with citations. Now I'm off to the races, right? I'm having a conversation with the
You can have follow-up questions.
Yeah, let's go ahead and filter, filter by sales in Europe. I can now go ahead and expand how Copilot arrived at this to see exactly which filters were applied. And this, of course, Patrick, it will honor the one-leg security rules. No worries. All right, now, but I know what you're thinking, Amir. What if I want to dig a little deeper? Maybe I want to do some slice and dice. Do I need to completely lose context and open?
No, look, I want the slides, the pivoting.
Well, of course. Well, fear not. I can simply click explore this visual from right here in the chat experience, and I get full-blown slice and dice, clicky, draggy, droppy data analysis directly from the Copilot chat experience. That's what I'm talking about. What do you reckon? Insane, right? Pretty cool. All right. So I can save this.
You can share it, right?
I can share it. Amir, I just remembered. We haven't tested that verified answer visual. We need to test this. Let's ask for customer retention cohorts, and if the demagogues are with us, lo and behold, there is our beautiful retention visual. That's pretty.
What's really cool about the whole thing is you're not in the context of a specific report. You have this new colorful button on the left side ribbon, right? And you can see that it's going to show up in the next few weeks to all of you in your tenant. And this is a place where every user can come in and start asking questions about any data from any report. They don't have to know how to navigate, they don't have to remember, and have the conversation with the data, right?
Absolutely right. Just that Copilot button right there. So, I mean, in summary, we educated Copilot on key performance metrics, on business terminology, and more importantly, we educated Copilot on how to intelligently connect business users to the right data assets in Fabric for data-driven decision-making in the largest of organizations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Christian.
Thank you.